Today we're going to be doing something really yummy and super easy, and this is my mini chocolate cake. For this recipe, we're going to need 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and our last ingredient, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. We're going to pop our egg into a large bowl. To that, I'm going to add in my milk. Grab a whisk, start whisking that. I'll add in all of my granulated sugar, and then our vegetable oil, my little bit of salt, and then we're going to whisk in our dry ingredients. I'm going to grab a sieve, get my cocoa powder in there, my all-purpose flour, and our baking powder. Get that all in. I'll grab the back of a spoon and just push all of that through. And there we have it. And then we're going to simply just mix all of this together. And this here is going to make one cake, one very small cake. And I do have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So this here, really simple. And believe it or not, this is already done and we are ready to fill our tin. This here is a 4-inch in diameter springform pan, and I have sprayed it with some grease and then just sprinkled all-purpose flour in here and just tapped it around. So that is ready to fill. And the other dimension, in case you're wondering, this is 1 3/4 inches high. So 4 inches in diameter by 1 3/4 inches high. We'll grab our batter and just get it right in there. And I do have my oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to pop this into my oven for 25 minutes. Okay, so this was in my oven for exactly 25 minutes at my 350 degrees. This is extremely hot right now, so we're just going to let this cool, and then we'll come back and we're going to unmold it. My cake has been cooling for about a half an hour. About 10 minutes after it started cooling, I just opened the little ring here just to expose air inside. If you don't do that, then what will happen is sometimes you'll get a little bit of condensation and the cake will be a little bit on the wet side. So you can just open it up and that will let a little bit of the air get inside. And then I'll just remove the ring, and there is our really nice cake. And then to remove the bottom, just grab a knife. We'll just get that right underneath and just pops right off just like that. So we'll grab our cake. I have a serrated knife here, which means it has little blades on it, or little teeth, which act like a saw. I'll just turn this over and I'm just gonna eyeball this, and then I'll just cut off the top. We're ready for our next step. I have a little pizza tray under here and some parchment paper to catch our chocolate ganache drippings. So I've just taken the cake and I've just turned it upside down because this side is very flat. So this was the bottom. I have some nice chocolate ganache here, and this here is a recipe that contains butter as well. I do have a link for that. I'll put that in the description box underneath this video if you want to see how this was made. And I'm just going to take this, and this is warm right now. It flows a lot better when it's warm. And then I'm just going to start pouring this on. And just get that all the way around. And just try to look all the way around and make sure It's getting down pretty well all over the sides. You can give it a little tap if you wish, just to settle it. And that's perfect. And now I'm going to pop that into my fridge. And that's nice. And there we have it. Very, very nice. I'll just get underneath there. Hopefully there's a good break. And there we have it. So for the last part of my video, I just zoomed in quite a bit just to show you our cake really close up. So here we have our nice chocolate cake interior and that really nice buttered chocolate ganache on the top. As you can see, this was a really simple recipe to make. I hope you try it at home. Simple recipe, really yummy and moist chocolate cake. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. That's it, and I'll see you next time. Watch this. Look at how moist that is. Oh, that's really good. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.